We are providing a monitoring and control solution for commercial refrigeration system that significantly reduces their operational costs and helps hospitals, supermarkets, and convenience stores.
Our product turned refrigerators into intelligent appliances. Our proprietary software solution is enabled by this retrofittable hardware. And this hardware monitors the energy usage and the temperature inside the fridge and sends these signals to our software. Then our software optimizes the operation of these appliances and sends the control signal back to the hardware. And then the hardware turns these devices on or off. Using our control solution method, we could save 5 to 15% on the energy usage of these appliances while making sure we have no negative impact on the performance